What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something that is super cool to give you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Do this for education purposes only. I do it for this exact reason, to bring you projects with unique tokenomics, with cute characters, just like the one today. Let's get ready to roll. I'll see you in a second. So guys, it's metalively.com, okay? When you come onto the website, straight away, you're gonna see this really cool animation. The links are gonna be down below. Please only use trusted links. So this is a project made by Cocone, right? As you can see at the bottom here. All their socials are on the right-hand side. So you just have to click on whichever one you want, the Discord, the Twitter, and the media. So as it says, 2022 quarter 3 coming soon. So what have they got already? We've got the home button, the service, play to earn features, the NFT items, the SD, and the roadmap. So let's scroll down and see what we got. This is giving you a little insight to what the service actually is on here, right? So you can scroll across. The first avatar coordinating P2E service on the market, Metalively uses a token-based economy and implements NFTs using blockchain technology. Super unique. Wait until I get to the tokenomics bit, please. It's going to be incredible. Again, the links are down below. Select from a wide variety of Livelies to take care and welcome them into your digital family. Moving through, as you can see, Livelies change colors according to what kind of bug they're fed. So you can experiment with these. When lives are well taken care of, they'll excrete jewels called doo-doo. This is the jewels you can turn into actual GP to spin gachas and gain unique items. These are some of the cute characters that we've got. Customize your island, your home's fashion with the various items that you get from the gachas. The more fashion and island decoration items you get, the more starry dust you'll be able to collect. And visit other islands to make friends. So you can actually socialize, which is the pretty cool aspect on here. Now the play to earn part. CCP to earn, which is coordinate to earn, right? It's a really cool feature. It's play to earn, basically. We got the coordinating play with the home, the lively, and the island, going through to the doo-doo, which they make into the GB, spin gacha, collect items, which you can also go straight from the coordinating play to the SD token, or to the wallet, or straight back into the spin gacha. Super cool. You can also go from the NFT minting straight from the spin gacha collect items into the coordinate. Now, your cute little pets to exchange with GP for different fashion items through the gachas, like I just talked about, right? Going on to the actual NFT items, the clothes, the accessories, the island decoration items that you collect throughout your Metalively playthrough and recognize as your own assets. So you can uniquely make these yours, right? You don't have to just choose the stock item. For a Lively, there are a variety of cute and loving Lively species to choose from. So you can choose from multiple of these little Lively cute. The home, secure home NFTs that are equipped with a combination of stylish and diverse items. That's the homes down here, which you can actually check the different ones out. Look at this one here. It's like a Victorian doll. And the island, secure NFTs with trees that bear fruit that can be used to transform lives in the future. So you want to get an island that can bear fruit, like these little fruits that will transform the items into different kinds of Livelies, right? The starry dust. Now this is the really where it starts to get really cool. Starry dust is a type of currency used in the virtual world, so it's their native token SD meta Lively that can be used to spin gachas, charge home power, mint NFT items, or be cashed out by sending it to the wallet. So you can actually turn this into real crypto, into real cash. Gather lots of them, collect items, and earn by playing the meta Lively. So this is your SD. Goes onto the gacha shop, to the restore power, to the NFT mint, or to the wallet. So once you've got this starry dust, right, the SD, you can choose what you want to do with it. Most people might want to put it back into the NFT minting. Some people might want to cash it out, whatever you choose. Roadmap, as I said, we are going to quarter 3 soon. Metalively NSS website launch, the website and game manual release, the NFT airdrop, the official live Lively launch, iOS and Android, super cool, it's on both. Then phase 2, the NFT marketplace is open, cross-platform channels, additional language adders, and the events, the fan art contests and giveaways. There's been loads of giveaways, so please get on their Twitter, have a look. The links are going to be down below, and I'll talk about it later. Phase 3, edition of the studio, Lively Land content update, SD economy finalization, that's what we're waiting for. And the meta Lively's journey is never ending. There's going to be more and more and more. That's the website overview done. Now guys, one of the most important parts of this is Cocone's CCP items were sold at a total of 227 million at one flea market. That's mental, 227 million, right? Most of the popular items are sold for about $15,000. That's $15,000. You've heard it right. This is a crazy amount of money. There's also an item that has more than 70,000 people who want to get their hands on that. This shows you the rarity, this shows you the importance of how big this can really be. Okay, it's a high investment value item. There are so many valuable items in this. Okay, you got to join the events, get NFTs and experience CCP. Please get yourself involved now. Having a look at their Twitter, then we got Meta Lively. It's at Meta Lively. And we have their website links and things like that down below. 5,461. Please only use the trusted link down below. Give them a follow. Let me know when you've done it in the comments, and get in there. Let them know you're from this channel. One thing I want to point out is look at the engagement. 3,795 retweets, because the airdrop event is actually going on right now. You got an airdrop task. Tag 3 friends and submit the Gleam. All you got to do is click this little link, the Gleam, and submit it. Okay, it's going to be 2,500 winners for 1 NFT per user. From the 8th of July to the 18th of July, so if you're watching this too late, unfortunately, it's finished. The prize pool is 2,500 NFTs. This is live as I record it, so please get involved straight away. And this is another reason on this channel why we get projects to you as soon as possible. There's so much going on, like the airdrop quiz event. What technology is the NFT place where the items are traded on base? All you got to do is click that Gleam and keep getting involved, okay? They do these over and over again. So guys, I've talked about this. This is the event that I am participating in right now. But what I want to let you know is there's a second one coming up. That's similar to this, 2,500 winners again. Okay, and it's coming up very soon, so you need to be following these. You need to be involved in the project, because if you want to be like me and be involved right now and participating in this event, this finishes on 18th of July. You want to be getting straight into that second one coming very soon. Now guys, I am super excited about this, right? There's actually an ongoing event that is happening right now as well. First 2,500 NFTs have already been dropped, so we're on the second batch of 2,500 NFTs. Okay, from the third round, a public sale will be held at MOOI Marketplace. Please note that down. If you love this, hit the like button. If you enjoyed it that much, hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell if you want to be notified. And until the next video, stay safe, stay blessed, stay in touch. I'm out.